Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Remain Usman Lawalidoko, and this morning I will be teaching you all how to remove phones that are showing this. Unfortunately, YouTube's has stopped. So in some phones, like some Johnny, you'll find out that some of them used to have this kind of error at times, and when you click it, look at it now. Now let me put the password. Let me just put the password. Look at it, it's showing. So you try to remove it, but it will not go. So today I'll be teaching you how you can remove this thing without affecting any of your files on the phone. Like some of the engineer you will go to, they will tell you that you should flash the phone or wipe the phone, whereby when you do so, you end up losing so many documents and profiles on your phone. But what we are going to do now, we are not going to remove anything from the phone. We are going to remove this error that normally shows on mostly China clone phones. So we are going to remove this one now, and you see how it is done. Very, very simple. It is very, very simple. So let's go to the main work. Now, first of all, you have to click it. Here we go. Click it. So what you do is, we manage to enter the setting. We will manage to enter the setting. So there is the setting. Here is the setting at the top. So I will enter the setting. Yeah, I'm in the setting. Then you go to application. You go to application. Here is manage app at the top. So you click manage app. You see. So it's very, very simple. So just click it and scroll. Click it, then come. Click and come. Click and come. And click for the last time and come. This is YouTube. And look at it. All the phone have the same problem. Whenever you see it, you see that the YouTube has been disabled from the app. So just have to go there and enable it, and that's all. So don't go and be flashing your phone or formatting it. Just go to the disable like this, and now click it. See, it's disabled. It's disabled. So I just have to enable it, and that's all. Go to down. You see the enable button. See the enable button here. So I'm going to enable it. That's all. It has stopped. So when you disable it, it will start showing those errors. Sometimes it normally used to show at the edge here. So people will just mistakenly go and click the disable button, and once you click the disable button, that's it. So avoid clicking the disable. So if I click the disable button, look at I click the disable button now. Look at it. It will start showing. Let's enable it in order to. So that's it. So you can do this on Johnny phone. This is Huawei. You can do it on Johnny. You can do it on all clone phones that usually show all these things. So you just have to go to the particular app and enable it. That's all, and you are good to go. Thank you very much for watching. And I would like you to please, if you really watch this video and find it very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to enable me, post more information about all these errors that are coming out on phones. Please just support my platform by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. I love you all. Bye.